So, are you from India? Do you have a Galaxy S8 with an Exynos processor? And you just want to change the phone because it doesn't have one feature, portrait mode. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to get portrait mode on Galaxy S8, both on the front camera as well as the rear camera. Hey guys, this is Salim and let's get started. So first, let's just look what's portrait mode. So portrait mode is basically blurring of the background. So it came with DSLRs. Now then it came with iPhone 7 Plus, which had two cameras with one primary camera and the second one as telephoto lens, and it also senses depth. So other brands followed suit. And then came Pixel. They just had portrait mode with just one camera and not with the rear camera, with the front also. And in my opinion, portrait mode looks dope. But I've been scrolling through the beta community of the Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus, and just people are just asking for portrait mode. And I know Samsung will not give portrait mode to the S8 because it will be 1 point less to market the S9 or S9 Plus. So why will they give it? Now XJ developers have made a mod for that Pixel camera for the Galaxy S8 for Snapdragon variants. It came with Exynos variant 2. But the rear camera worked and it was pretty darn slow. So there was this XJ developer named MiniUser123. I don't know if I'm saying the correct name. The correct name will be shown here. So what he did is made a mod of that earlier mod for Exynos variant of the Galaxy S8. Now with the latest upgrade, we can use portrait mode on both the rear camera as well as the front camera. Now how to do that? If you have the mod, just go to settings, apps, clear data, and then uninstall the app. Now go to the description below. It will link you to the XJ thread. Download the APK. Now don't use Google Drive to download it. Use your Chrome browser, or if you have a Samsung phone, Samsung internet browser. After installing it, open the app, swipe right, go to settings. Under BSG mod settings, the model name should be Pixel 2 XL. The config camera HDR Plus should be Nexus 6 Auto. The front plus HDR or HDR Plus front should be on. And scrolling down, portrait mode on all models. There should be a toggle of that. Just turn it on. Now go to recents, close the app, open the app again, swipe right, there's portrait mode. Cool. Click on that. It will give you some instruction. Click on got it. So there's the portrait mode on the rear camera. Okay. Now just change the camera and it's on the front camera too. Here are some sample pictures for you to check out. This is how you get portrait mode effect on the Galaxy S8 or S8 Plus. So if you like this video and found it helpful, do hit the like button. If you hated the video, you know what to do. If you're new here, do subscribe to my channel. And if you've already subscribed, hit the bell icon so that you get notifications each time I upload a new video on YouTube. Thanks a lot for watching. Till then, this is Salim and I'm signing out.